Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0562, indicates a charging system low voltage issue in the Honda Pilot from 2016 to 2022. This code suggests that the vehicle's electrical system is not receiving adequate voltage from the charging system, typically supplied by the alternator. The primary components involved in this diagnostic error are the alternator and its associated electrical connections. A faulty alternator or a poor connection at the alternator's +B terminal can lead to this error being triggered. This issue can lead to various electrical problems, as the battery may not be adequately charged, affecting vehicle performance. Addressing this DTC promptly is essential to ensure the reliability of the vehicle's electrical systems and overall functionality. The error description for DTC P0562 emphasizes that inadequate voltage has been detected within the charging system of the Honda Pilot. This typically indicates that the alternator is not functioning correctly, affecting the complete electrical system of the vehicle. The alternator is primarily responsible for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy and charges the battery while the engine runs. A malfunction can result in various electronic systems failing. The problematic connections are often found in the engine compartment, where the alternator is located near the engine. Regular checks of the connections and component health are paramount to prevent such voltage-related issues. The possible causes of DTC P0562 are significant in diagnosing the issue accurately. A loose terminal on the alternator's +B terminal can easily cause low voltage readings. This usually happens during vehicle operation if the terminal is not securely fitted, leading to intermittent voltage losses. A faulty alternator is another primary suspect. It may fail to generate adequate voltage due to internal issues like worn brushes or a damaged rectifier. Additionally, poor electrical connections elsewhere in the system, including those linked to the underhood fuse relay box, can contribute to this voltage drop, affecting the performance of the entire electrical system. Investigating these causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The symptoms associated with DTC P0562 can serve as critical indicators of a failing charging system. When the vehicle's electrical system detects low voltage, it may activate the battery warning light on the dashboard. This warning light is a clear sign that further investigation is required. Drivers may also notice dimming headlights, as the insufficient voltage can impact the performance of the vehicle's lighting systems. Additional electrical components, such as the radio or climate control, might experience erratic behavior or malfunction due to this low voltage. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent more severe electrical system failures. In troubleshooting step 1, start by turning the vehicle to the on mode. This initial step establishes the necessary conditions for diagnostic testing. Next, utilize the HDS Honda Diagnostic System to clear any existing DTCs. This clearing process ensures that you are working with a fresh set of data and allows for accurate readings moving forward. After clearing, start the engine and let it idle without load for approximately 1 minute. This is essential to allow the vehicle's systems to stabilize. Finally, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS again. These steps are crucial for acknowledging whether the checked problems are ongoing or if they were intermittent. In this step, the emphasis is on verifying the vehicle's condition post-initial diagnostics. Again, check for pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. This check will help to determine if DTC P0562 is indicated again after the preliminary troubleshooting procedures. If this DTC is confirmed, it indicates a persistent issue and the next course of action is to repair or replace the alternator based on its failure mode. Conversely, if the DTC is not indicated, then it suggests that the issue could be intermittent. In this case, further inspection is needed to check for poor connections or loose terminals at pivotal points, particularly the alternator's +B terminal. Final repair verification is critical to ensure that the repair or replacement performed has resolved the issue effectively. After completing any necessary repairs, recheck the DTCs using the HDS to confirm there's no longer a P0562 code active. Following this, conduct a test drive to see if the vehicle performs normally without any voltage-related symptoms. This step is crucial as it verifies the repair aspect under dynamic conditions. Finally, confirm that all electrical systems, such as headlights and onboard electronics, function without issues, ensuring that the charging system works efficiently and effectively. This verification process underscores the importance of thoroughness in vehicle maintenance. Preventive maintenance goes a long way in averting issues such as DTC P0562. One effective practice is to inspect the connections associated with the alternator regularly. This includes checking the tightness of the +B terminal. Ensuring that these connections are secure can prevent low-voltage situations from occurring unexpectedly. Testing the battery voltage at regular intervals is also essential, as it helps to ascertain the health of the charging system and the battery itself. Furthermore, maintaining clean terminals free of corrosion is crucial for optimal electrical conductivity. By fostering a proactive approach through these preventive measures, one can significantly reduce the possibility of encountering charging system issues. In conclusion, DTC P0562 is a critical diagnostic error indicating low voltage from the charging system. It is essential to thoroughly check the alternator along with its electrical connections, especially the +B terminal, as these are key components in maintaining adequate system voltage. Symptoms, such as warning lights and malfunctioning electrical components, can serve as important indications that something is amiss. Effective troubleshooting involves both systematic checking and practical testing to confirm repairs. Adopting a regular preventive maintenance schedule can stave off future issues, ensuring reliability and longevity in the vehicle's electrical and charging systems. Staying ahead of potential problems through awareness and regular checks is vital for optimal vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.